Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of a life where money isn't a constant source of stress? You're not alone. Millions of young Americans feel lost when it comes to personal finance. But what if I told you that building wealth and achieving financial freedom is simpler than you think? Stick with me, and I'll show you how to take control of your financial future starting today. Welcome back to my channel where we break down complex financial topics into easy to understand strategies. In this video, we're diving deep into the basics of personal finance. Whether you're just starting your career or looking to level up your financial game, this video is for you. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Finance? Sounds boring. But trust me, this is the stuff that can turn your Netflix budget into a down payment on a house. So, let's get started. According to the 2023 TIAA Institute GFLEC Personal Finance Index, U.S. adults correctly answered only 48% of basic money questions in a financial literacy survey. This shows a significant lack of financial knowledge, which can lead to poor financial decisions and missed opportunities. So, here we are going to know, what is personal finance? Personal finance is the process of managing your money throughout your life, and it is essential because it gives people control over their money, reduces financial stress, and helps them achieve their life goals. It encompasses all aspects of handling individual or family finances, including income generation, spending, saving, investing, and protection. It's about making prudent decisions concerning your money to facilitate asset growth and maintain good financial health. Here's why it matters. Number one, budgeting. Take control of your cash. First up, budgeting. I know it sounds like a chore, but trust me, it's your financial superhero cape. Budgeting is essentially tracking where your money comes from and where it goes. It involves listing all your expenses to give yourself a clear picture of where your money is going. You need to know how much of your income is going out the door. Start by listing all sources of money that you receive in a month. Then track every purchase and split them into two categories: fixed expenses and discretionary spending. Fixed expenses are essential, like rent and utilities. Discretionary spending is non-essential, like restaurant meals. Think of budgeting not as a restriction, but as a roadmap to your dreams. Want that new car? Dream vacation? A solid budget shows you how to get there, step by step. Now, what if you have extra money? You put it in an emergency fund, which leads us to our next point. Number two, emergency fund, your financial safety net. Life is unpredictable. Your car breaks down, you get hit with a medical bill, or worse, you lose your job. That's where an emergency fund comes in. This is money you save, ideally 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses, in a separate, easily accessible account. An emergency fund can provide a safety net during challenging times. It not only covers unexpected expenses, but also provides a sense of security. Imagine facing a major crisis without any savings. The stress, the debt, it's a nightmare. An emergency fund is your financial security blanket, ensuring you can weather any storm. Okay, so now you have a budget and a safety net. What's next? It's time to think long-term, which brings us to investing. Number three, investing. Making your money work for you. Investing can seem intimidating, but it's simply putting your money to work so it grows over time. Start by understanding your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with the ups and downs of the stock market, or do you prefer safer, more conservative options? It involves understanding risk tolerance, diversifying investments, and considering long-term goals. Consider long-term goals. Investing helps grow wealth over time. Think of investing as planting a tree. It takes time to grow, but with consistent care, it can provide shade and fruit for years to come. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow, thanks to the power of compounding. But here's a crucial question. What are the biggest investing mistakes you need to avoid? Stick around because I'll reveal them later in this video. Number four, managing debt, taming the beast. Debt can be a wealth killer if not managed properly. Start by understanding your interest rates. High interest debt, like credit cards, should be your top priority. Make timely payments and prioritize high-interest debt repayment. Managing debt requires understanding interest rates. Understanding credit involves monitoring credit scores and maintaining good credit habits. Uncontrolled debt can lead to financial stress, damaged credit scores, and a life of limitations. Don't let debt control you. Take control of your debt. Now, let's talk about protecting your assets. Number 5, insurance. Protecting what you've built. Insurance is your financial shield, protecting you from unexpected disasters. Health insurance covers medical bills, auto insurance protects you from accidents, and homeowners insurance safeguards your property. Life insurance protects your loved ones in case of your untimely death. You never know when disaster will strike. Insurance is not an option, it's a necessity. Don't wait until it's too late to protect yourself and your family. And here's the top investing mistakes to avoid. And here they are. Number 1, not diversifying. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Number 2, letting emotions drive your decisions. Fear and greed can lead to costly mistakes. And number 3, not doing your research. Understand what you're investing in. So there you have it, the basics of personal finance for beginners. Budgeting, emergency fund, investing, managing debt, and insurance. These aren't just abstract concepts. They're the building blocks of a wealthy and fulfilling life. Take action today. Create a budget, start an emergency fund, and educate yourself about investing. Your financial future is in your hands. And if you want to learn more about the power of compounding, check out this video on my channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more personal finance tips.